Hi everyone, welcome to Sapori di Casa Hull. In today's recipe I'm gonna show you a traditional Neapolitan biscuit called Rococo. This is made at Christmas and it's a super delicious snack. And here we do it. Into a preheated oven of about 200 degrees, we have to toast the almond. When they are toasted, take them out. Take half of the almond and crumble them. Put them aside. Then on a working table, mix the flour and sugar and make a hole in the middle where you will drop all the rest of the ingredient apart from the egg. Quality control while my mother is doing the work. One more time, I didn't taste it properly. So here we go, we add slowly the water and we start to nail the dough together. Add more water and so on until all the water is used up. Nail it. And obviously I'll help my mother making the dough. At this point the dough looks like it starts to get ready and is taking shape. It has to be of a medium consistency and it should be not that much sticky. From the quantity above, we should have about a cut of 10 pieces, which then they will be stretched out and we cut the rococo from it. There we go, we'll cut them. Here the portion are the double because we make more of it. But the standard recipe is the ingredient quantity that I posted below. So we start to make some sausages. The process of making the pieces is to help facilitate in making the biscuit one by one, so we downsize as we go along. We'll stretch the dough, we'll make into sausages. The diameter of the sausages has to be at about 3 centimeters and a half, and we'll cut into sausages of about 15-20 centimeters and we'll round them on themselves and like so, ensuring that there is about 5 to 7 centimeter space diameter in the middle. This will allow the biscuit to keep the shape, and they should be look like so. In an oven tray, also use oven paper. I'll put the rococo in it at about a distance of 6 to 7 centimeters, even more. I'll say about probably 10 centimeters, so that will make sure that they are not sticking together. I'll brush them with the eggs. Whisked. That's a rubber brush That's what you have to use nowadays. I prefer the traditional one, which covers more, but that's where we are nowadays. Yeah, just be careful. Cover them all so that it will give it all golden look. And this is more or less how the tray should be look like. Now we put it into the oven. The oven should be still at 200 degrees. We leave it static and we'll cook it at that temperature for about 7 minutes. Then once the 7 minutes have gone past, we'll put the oven down at about 180 degrees and it's still static. Now times and temperature will vary depending on your oven, so you need to keep an eye on it and see if it needs more or need less time. It should be at the end, the rococo should be golden brown. So as you can see here, now we're going to speed up a little bit and you can see them moving. Total cooking time can range based on your oven from 13 minutes up to 17 minutes. Fantastic. Yep. And you can see at this point this should be the temperature lowered at 180 degrees. As you can see, they're nice and brown at the top. Fantastic. We'll take them out. Yeah, they're ready. You can smell them. Get a cloth. And this is how they should be look like. With this type of biscuit, you don't need them to put them upside down. That's now we put them on a cloth to cool them down a little bit further because we need the tray to continue bake. That's how they should be look like. And I'm gonna have a taste now. Pick this one. See, that's the color. You see it, nice golden brown. Around it, you can see where the eggs was more brushed, and that is underneath. It should be look like this, no burned. Okay, I think I'll give it a try now. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.